don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenzo to TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 2, Angola 1. I'm joined by Mutau from Temu.
Shows Tibo.
Yeah.
I hate the fact
Of.
Tshepang Moremi.
Yeah.
He changed the game for, today.
Yes.
The game was so low, flat, and then it needed a speed. The guy came with a sprinting, and then I changed the game.
Yeah.
Why it's not channeling linama a meat that is lacking a spice. Ne? He came in as a Norox. And then he changed the beef stew. Yeah. And then the whole squad was tasting nice. Yeah. So, Hugo Bruce, he should thank Abdul Salam for making his job easier.
Yes.
Yeah. The guy, he make a job simple for the national team coach.
Yes.
Because Apele, he've cooked. And then Hugo Bruce is just dishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just dishing. I have a question, Stibo. Our president, Mutsipe, he's a rich man, eh?
Billionaire.
He can buy players overseas.
Definitely.
Why can't he buy Moremi? Yeah, Ramunyaka, ko Chlorocop, Stibo. Yeah, we want Moremi in Chlorocop. Chairman, I hope you can hear this. We want Moremi in Chlorocop. Yeah, instead of wasting diesel, instead of wasting petrol to fetch players overseas.
Yes.
Muremuteng.
He's there.
Yeah, he stole my heart.
Tibo, Mudao, what time? Muremi is not for sale.
How much you get? I'm at the right offer. The right offer. 100 million, Baba. 100 million.
Shows Tibo.
Yeah.
By the way, from the back line, Sundowns, they showed up, and then forward, Orlando Pirates, they've showed up.
Yes.
But Kaizer Chiefs players, they keep us in their prayers at home.
Yeah.
I think we thank them.
Yeah.
I cannot be against them for today because even our prayers contributed for today's game.
Yes.
Yeah, they were watching us on TV with us praying that we must win.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't mean that if Kaizer Chiefs players, they're not there, they're supposed to be against the squad supporting Angola.
Yeah.
It's a national team.
True.
And then it should be a motivation for them that maybe, perhaps, in World Cup,
Yes.
Hugo Bruce, he can change his mind during the next season.
Yes.
Maybe he will pick up 2 or 3.
Boshaba.
Yes, it doesn't mean that when we criticize them, we want to attack them. No, we are giving them motivations, Stibo. Yeah. Also, as we like to see the color blocking, the Kaizer Chiefs players, Orlando Pirates players, and then also, and Frosler, Stibo.
Yeah.
He's a cornerstone, the guy.
What's a cornerstone?
It's a rejected stone by the builder. That stone that a builder threw or intending to throw away is the stone that's gonna balance the building.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Foster, he proved the point.
Yeah.
Many South Africans, they were saying Foster must go out.
Yeah.
But he shoot a goal like with his whole, like we shoot like an ambition is Tibo. That thing means that I want to prove you wrong. Experience matter in games like this. Yeah. And then he prove it in today's game.
Yeah, he's worth.
Yeah, he proved it that he's playing overseas.
Yeah.
So, Stibo, you can never undermine Coach Hugo Bruce. the reason why he didn't sub him with Makgopa, he saw a reason that maybe a goal is coming on. And then people mustn't say Mufokeng is being a bench warmer. No. We can't take Angola as a threat. We still have more games coming. Yeah, Mufokeng is our star. Yes, I'm a Mamelodi Sundowns supporter, but Mufokeng is a star.
Yeah.
We are waiting for him. He will play against Mohamed Salah.
Yeah.
It's a privilege, Steve.
That's true.
Yeah, you as Ronaldo, Baukipe at the bench.
Yeah.
Just because you are playing small teams,
Yeah.
they are waiting for you to play big games.
Takataha.
Yeah, you should be grateful that I'm big.
Yeah.
Yeah, my man of the match is Thibaut.
Kima.
I don't think Foster deserved it, but yes, he was playing. He scored a goal, but for now, Murray is Thibaut. Yeah, the guy he changed the game.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, you should give a man of the match to a guy who changed the game.
That's true, my brother.
Show Thibaut.
And we can also give you your flowers.
Yes.
You talk football language.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy is brain. Yeah, you can tell that he's not drunk like others.
Is he the only Sandawana?
No, not only
talk
Sandawana.
football.
There are people who wait for results to talk about football. They don't watch football, but they want to wait. They wait for the result. Those people who wait for the result, ke bona ba destroy football ya rena, ba take the player left and right and stuff. Yeah.
Thank you, Cheneche. Thank you, brother.